Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of dividend investing and a video I came across that promises a juicy $3,000 per month in dividends. But before we get too excited, let's unpack this and see what it really takes to reach that level of income. Welcome to Money Map, a place where future generational wealth creators come to get educated. Disclaimer: the information contained in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Please consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Let's break down the video. The video talks about two main approaches to reach $3,000 in monthly dividends. First, the high-yield approach, where you invest in assets with a high starting yield, like the ETF JPY, Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. This might give you more income up front, but second is dividend growth approach, and you invest in companies with a history of increasing their dividend payouts over time. This might mean lower initial income, but potentially much higher payouts in the future. Here is the catch: time and patience. The video uses a thought experiment, showing that even with consistent investment, it takes a significant amount of time to reach that $3,000 goal. We're talking decades with a $25 weekly investment. So what's your key takeaways? Number 1, dividend investing can be a powerful tool for long-term income generation. 2, you should focus on companies with a history of dividend growth for a potentially stronger future income stream. Remember, patience is key. Reaching high monthly dividends takes time and consistent investment. Some advice: just do your research. Before investing in any dividend-paying asset, understand the company's financials and track record. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes. Consider a mix. There's merit to both high-yield and dividend growth approaches. Consider a balanced strategy based on your goals and risk tolerance. Dividend investing can be a great path to financial freedom, but remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on building a strong foundation, prioritize consistent investment, and don't get discouraged by the timelines. As always, Money Map is here to help you navigate the world of investing. Let us know in the comments below what questions you have about dividend investing, and hit that like button if you found this video helpful.